All right, welcome. Let me quickly do this video to address the issue of loading your MetaMask with Matic and USDT ahead of time to enable you buy the Rooney token. Now, you might have already installed MetaMask. You have added the Matic network. You have added the USDT token. So that means your dashboard should be something looking like this. Like my own is already my own now is already funded. So what you do now is whichever way you want to go about it, if you copy this wallet address here, is the same. It's going to send either token, whether USDT, Matic, to this wallet, to this MetaMask wallet. So on the safer side, let's say, because if I copy this, it's still the same like I said. So now what you do is you go to your Binance. Also note that you might have already bought you might have already bought USDT in your Binance account. Now, if your Binance account is already loaded with USDT, I don't have any now because I've already utilized my own. So you come to trade. On the trade column, you select. You come here to select Matic USDT. So the price of Matic now is 1.2420. So now you will buy Matic. And if you want to withdraw Matic, I noticed that the minimum you can withdraw is about 10 Matic or above. So, it should be worth $10 and above. Anyway, so what I simply instruct is that you should buy at least 10 or 11, let's say. So which would be around $13.6 if you buy 11 Matic, and you just place your order. Make sure it's in market order. So you just put 10. You just put that you want to buy 10, or yes, you can just put $13, which will give you 10 units of it, and you click on buy. So once you click on buy, you will not be having Matic on this you in your wallet, and also having USDT. So when you come to withdraw, you come to wallet, and you select your spot wallet. Of course, you will see that you will be having USDT and Matic. So if you are having USDT and Matic, all you click is withdraw. What do you want to withdraw? Let's say I want to withdraw Matic via what? Via crypto network. So I paste the wallet address and the network. Remember, after you paste the wallet, you will see network. So under this network, you select Polygon network, and you confirm. There now you can put maximum the amount, that is the whole Matic you have, if it's not more than what you want to send. If it's not more than what you want to send, or let's just say you put 11 Matic, and you click on withdraw. This now send the Matic automatically to your MetaMask wallet. And the same thing you will do with your USDT. You select that you want to withdraw USDT via crypto network. You paste the wallet address and select the network, which is Polygon, and you confirm. You put the amount you want to send, and you click withdraw. This sends the USDT automatically to your MetaMask wallet. So I think with this, I believe that I have solved the issue of sending, or how you can send your USDT and Matic to your MetaMask wallet. Thank you very much. I hope this solves your problem. I remain your leader, the Golden Moses. Stay with us.